Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Lindley in Finland. We come to garden, auntie is a promise gonna help she to work in the garden. Yeah, so we have a little bit equipment with me, and we have to wear clothes what easy to working, what easy to watch. I hope auntie already there. We need to find park place. I park a little bit far from garden, and we need a little bit walking. So, oh, today a little bit cold. Yeah, I hope it's no raining. Now 9 degrees. This from the sea. This water from sea. Look at this. Many people come out to walk. Activity. Oh, auntie already there. Oh, beautiful color. And what auntie have there? Moi. Oh, auntie ready to work? Uncle too. What is that? Mita? Kanan kaka. Kanan kaka is a shit poop.
Yeah, chicken shit.
Yeah, chicken shit. It's fertilizer. Oh, so we go. Let uncle work. Joo. Vähän kylmä. Maybe we can take our. But this is stronger. What is I have that is from our shelf in Bangkok. I was made kaput, and then because we buy new shelves in Bangkok, then this is I want to throw away. I say, oh no, keep it for garden. For auntie house, maybe make some space for sitting. Auntie already there. What she have here? That is uncle throw. Yeah, chicken shit there. I'm not sure it's if she want to make here also. This is what auntie have. Yes. 1 week. 1 week salad. She still put the clover because nighttime it's still very cold. It's not yet really summer. I'll take a break. Big coffee break. Auntie take coffee with us. Yeah. Is I go to standing near to uncle, please? Yeah. So what auntie here for us? This pullo. Pulla. Kova pulla. Korvaputti. Korvaputti.
Oh, hampas, iso.
Mm.
You want to share?
Yeah.
You want your own?
Yeah, I can eat. Auntie eat one, she can eat one.
Jos sä pystyt syömään yhden, niin hänkin
She can eat one. Yes, I cannot eat all. Oh, good appetite. Auntie cold. Auntie gonna go back home soon. But I'm not cold because I'm working. And Esa, he have a good jacket. This jacket for people go fishing. So this is good jacket. For me, I have also another jacket in my pocket, so I'm not cold. Yeah. After drink coffee, Auntie gonna back home. This is our snack. Nah. Auntie have to teach Esa how to lock the box. I don't want to back home now because I need a little bit working. Yeah, auntie, uncle, he come many times. Sometimes they come with bicycle. There is from my parts. Yeah, gonna make a little bit. Not yet finished. I not yet to know what I want to put here. Berry. Oh, Napurin. Nakba also finished work. From Nakba, yeah, he have only there. It's for protect from Bambi. Yeah. Yeah, auntie, she also have like this and have to locking. It's nobody come steal vegetable, but Bambi. Yeah, because there is forest. Moment, I can show you where forest there. The forest, sometimes a rabbit or Bambi come to steal food just behind exit vegetable here. Very good talking every time when they say Esa, they're gonna talk so much. All night and talking. A very lovely couple. Very nice. And good luck I have. Lovely uncle, lovely auntie. Always support.
Joo, mä sanon vielä uudestaankin tosiaan joo. I can make a little bit here. Ai. Yeah, this is good.
Spot. You can come in here.
Good exercise, and at the same time you are doing useful work. Something else for you to do than just look at your handy.
I have work in our bedroom.
Yes.
Cinderella life. Not only work in house, also in garden.
Yeah. Did you think that it would be so easy that you only work at home?
Cinderella life. When I was kid, many people tell me, find Falang husband. You can have comfortable life. What? Who said that? But after I could take husband for long. Oh yeah.
How wrong those people were.
Yeah, when I was kid, everybody said that. Fly Europe, man. Have comfortable life.
Well, this is comfortable. You can have your own food.
Yeah. Usually, even in Bangkok, I also make it. I'm very happy that auntie let me come here. And I can have space to make my vegetable.
Yes, this is nice actually. But she said that this will be a very hot place when it's summertime.
Yeah.
But you can manage that. Yeah, it will be interesting to see then what can grow, what you can do here now.
Yeah.
If you're gonna put some chili or not here.
No, the
No?
chili is gonna be very hard. I think better we buy it.
Okay.
Maybe just a coriander or what we eat, like we hunt like that. Put some lemongrass
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put first lemongrass in the room in our house to have the root. And summer I'm gonna leave it here. In winter, big lemongrass gonna come like this, so we have to wrap the leaf
Okay.
with cloth. It's
Okay, that is.
gonna dead, and then next summer it's gonna grow again. This many times lady in Europe, people in Europe we teach each other.
Okay, that sounds interesting idea.
Yeah, if Esa get oil jackpot, you must to buy some big land for me.
Ah,
Then I gonna grow up lemon and chili. Because every time I make somtam, I need lemon.
yeah.
Sometimes lemon not enough, I need to use tamarind. Better. I gonna grow a lot lemon. If lemon grow here, I don't know. And chili. Buy some private in sale for Lily to grow up chili. I will not give them water. But the soil is already wet enough.
Mm-hmm. So what seeds are you putting now?
Coriander.
Uh-huh.
Just taste it.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
If not born, I gonna buy for. If not grow, I gonna buy there. Ah, it's still wet.
It's your wet wipes, those. It was breaking this to see what's inside. Ah, greedy bird.